ungefär. Let's continue. This is what it looks like now. And let's clean it up. So there we go. All cleaned up. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Oh, whammy. What's this? Good. Doesn't look too bad. Let's continue. I'm going to show you how the cable looks when it's stripped. If this camera can focus, there we go. That's what it looks like. That's what I like. And then this goes in the lug. It's not pretty at all, but it works. It definitely works. This is not going anywhere. this for a while. Okay, inverter just switched on. It's running off battery. There is no input coming in. It says the output here is 229 volts. Here we go, 230 volts. Great. Now, put some load on this page. This is the lights. Okay, we got lights running off the solar. Well, running off the battery.
US 3000C, 3.5 kilowatt solar inverter warehouse. Oh, I already have this from the previous battery, but it's okay, extra is always good. Buddy, there. Okay, tape measure, need to measure it. Come with all the extras. I would suggest you get someone to help you, because this bad boy is heavy, really heavy. Just show you what it looks like. Here we go. Beautiful piece of equipment. Cut this open. The real deal. Bolt this little, hey Trin, hey Go, hey Go, hey Ori, hey Smith, hey Neo, good dogs. Hey, Hubble. Okay.
Dogs in here.
Anyway, bolt this little stand thing. Hope you can see it's still off. The light's still off. There's enough airflow for heat, and I mean this is my little system here.
Focus. Brown, blue, white, blue. In the B or RS485 port, and obviously the link port 1 goes to link port 0 because the battery of the link port 0 open is the master, and always use the bigger capacity battery as the master, or the newer model battery as the master. Then this cable runs all the way to here. This little makeshift. This isn't. I have to still fix my earth and stuff. I'm not an electrician, so don't judge me, electricians. Let's get this out of here. I'm gonna show you. Okay, then we got. You know, remember that blue wire we talked about? It's the in pin 1. Blue, pin 2 is blue white, and I just left the brown there for in case, because I don't understand RS communication, RS485 communication. I understand networks and switches and routers and stuff like that. Anyway, so this means this one is flashing, so it means it's taking power from this one. This one is, they're trying to balance each other out. So this will, the guy watched the video on, it's a British guy,
He said it'll take about an hour depending on the battery voltages, but I think this is going to take a bit longer because this is a 3.5, this is 2.4. Enough talking, let's switch on this baby. Power please. Oh, I love that sound. Don't like that sound. And what do you know, the 2004 error is gone. Just waiting for it to pick up the battery voltages. Nice inverter this. Good looking. I mean, it's relatively easy to set up. Got 4 panels lying here now. It's expensive at first, but if you got the spare money, I would recommend getting a system like this. Okay, there we go. The battery voltage is a bit low. I'm actually going to quickly wire the utility to charge the batteries, and then it's utility out the window. So, hey, meanwhile this is charging, I can probably switch on the mains. Wow, this is hard. I think it's hard for a reason. That's what she said. Okay, lights and plugs. There we go. You see, there's my 4 panels. They are each 380 watt panels. And the sun is nice in the sky like that. It's now 8:51 in the morning. The panels are charging the batteries at 1.15 kilowatt. That's 1100 watts. So it's basically almost, let's say 90% if you won't be able to see it, but it's pitch dark outside. This is just pointing the camera out my window. There's a light in the field, but it's very hard to see with this bad camera. Anyways, in here, got my little light, and got this light, TV, the internet, the camera and everything on. Yeah. What we're looking at here is the Growatt Android app. You can see the battery is at 88%, discharging at 577 watts. This is while I'm using my gaming PC and my wife's gaming PC. I've got the RTX 3060, she's got a 1660 Ti, both Core i5s. She's putting sims at high graphics, and I'm doing some video editing. Yeah, so this is the app. You can manage all, you'll see today I generated 4.6 kilowatts of electricity. You can, it gives you a nice little graph over here, state of charge. You can see the battery levels here. Let's go to this morning. The lowest the battery was about what, 40, 39%, 36, 35%. This was because yesterday was overcast, was totally overcast, and the battery was fully charged by about, what's it, 11. Anyways, yeah, so yesterday afternoon, after the sun went down, it was only charged to about 60%. So that's impressive. I mean, I can't complain. We are currently experiencing stage 2 load shedding. So this is when the solar system comes in very handy indeed.